Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. We begin with news that the public transport sector could experience major disruptions on Monday as transport operators threaten to withdraw their service. A group representing some operators say the police continue to target members for tickets already paid and they are frustrated.
Tomorrow, we are having an all-island withdrawal of service. And we have operators right across the island that is a part of our network, right across the island. Bagwalk, Linstead, St. Mary.
Mr. Nesbeth says the Transport Ministry has called multiple meetings since news of the planned protest, but insists the meetings have not addressed their concerns.
Our back is against the wall. Again, people, 20,000 licenses already get suspended. Again, people, random arbitrary system, charging system. Again, people, any 10 points and your license gone. You know, this is not a joke. What we are experiencing now is a tyrannic dictator system. This does not have nothing to do with law and order. Nothing. And these draconian laws and rules were passed without the operator's consent.